So, I've been kind of feeling weird lately, like how I started to question about life, the idea of the universe, God, the ancestors, whatever they believe in. In every journey, I always try to understand what lesson do I get, what message they want me to know.
It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. Not one of those who can easily hide. I don't have much money, but boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both
Gak pertama. Oh, lagu pertama. Oh, lagu pertama.
Gimana? No, or a man makes potions in a traveling show. No, it's not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, and this one's for you. You can tell everybody this is your song. Maybe quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words.
Gitu. Jadi dengan orang aja kok.
Iya, kan tinggal masak tisu.
Oh iya. Sorry.
Ya Allah.
Dong.
How wonderful life is when you're in the well. I sat on the roof and kicked off the moss. Well, a few of the verses, well, they've got me quite cross. But the sun's been quite kind while I wrote this song. It's for people like you that keep it turned on. So excuse me for getting, but these things I do, you see, I've forgotten if they're green or they're blue. Anyway, the thing is, what I really mean is those are the sweetest eyes I've ever seen. And you can tell everybody this is your song. Maybe quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words. How wonderful life is when you're in the